Have you ever wondered where your scheduled LinkedIn post go? You've crafted the perfect post, set it to go live later, but now you want to double check or make edits. No worries, in this video, I'll show you how to find your scheduled post on LinkedIn and why scheduling content can make your LinkedIn strategy so much easier. Let's start by going to your LinkedIn homepage. Find and click Start a Post, which is located in the upper right corner as if you were about to create a new post. If you've previously scheduled post, you'll see a clock icon. Beside the post, click the clock icon, and here you will see View All. Click View All, and you will be able to access the list of your upcoming scheduled post. To edit your scheduled post, click the three dots, and here you have the option to either post now, modify the schedule, edit post, or delete the post. In my case, we will try and edit the post. You can add more text, or you can delete a text from it. After you're satisfied with your edits, you can go back to the clock again, and if you want to modify the posting schedule of this post, you can go to the date and change the schedule. Click Done and click Next. After that, you can go and click Schedule. View Schedule and see if your edits were made perfectly. LinkedIn will automatically post it at the scheduled time. Consistency is key on LinkedIn. Scheduling posts helps you stay active without being online 24/7. You can plan content in advance, stay engaged with your audience, and free up time for networking and real conversations instead of scrambling to post last minute. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your scheduled post and why using this feature can save time and boost engagement. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a fellow LinkedIn user, and drop a comment. Do you prefer scheduling posts or do you post in the moment? Let's discuss and see you in our next video.